drilling a hole from this end all the way to this end. The length of it is quite long. I don't have the long drill bit to accomplish this. And what I do is, here, I'm using a chopstick. As you drill, it gets very hot and it melts. In order to continue drilling, you have to grind this part away, cool down and then drill again until it melts, grind again, cool down, grind, drill, grind, drill, grind, drill, grind, drill. There is one missing because I took it out and to drill the hole. I need really that long hole. This is SUS 304 stainless steel chopstick. I'm using this as a drill bit to drill through the wall. I just need a very small hole. That is why I'm using this one. I don't want to buy a long drill bit and waste money. This is from the fruit wharf that I cut and made into a drill bit. This is the longest using a chopstick stainless steel. But it's so thin that whenever you drill, it got melted and you have to grind it away so that it becomes a screwdriver that is able to cut through the cement in the wall. Have a look at how deep I have already gone in using the chopstick. Can you see that? This is the length that is already cut through the wall, and it keeps on melting this part here because it's too hot. Now I have to grind this part here to make it more sharper. I'm going to try one more time, and you can take a look at how it melts. It's very hot. Already melted. There's not a lot left. Very little. Just grinded another one. Now we'll try one more time. This is already quite short. After grinding it and grinding it, I have to use a new one. I'm going to use a new one because of the length. I need the length to complete the job. I don't have any more space to penetrate or drill. What I want to do is try to hammer it and see what happens on the other side. Oh, got it, here. Wonderful, see, I got it. Yeah, so that's the hole there. Wonderful, see the hole? Yeah. Step drill bit is a very good tool. I need to break away the plastic. Try to clean the hole inside because there are too much stones. Yeah, see that? It's dirty. Yes.
要关注我的视频，点击 subscribe。
So when the door is closed, you know that the fan is still on. This is the reason why I'm doing this project, because a lot of time I forgot to turn off the fan.